channel. I just got home and I have these two boxes that I'm gonna unbox for you because my mother's been pushing me to do it because she's really curious about finding out what's in here. And so we're just gonna quickly go through these. And this one is actually supposed to be like a whole different video, but then I'll just try to switch and change it because I'm pretty sure she wants to see this one as well. So I'm just gonna quickly unbox everything. Yeah, I mentioned that I just got back from work and I haven't yet touched nothing. I'm like, oh me. So please make sure you subscribe, turn all the notification bars on so you're notified all the time I post a new video. And without wasting any time, let's open these boxes. Still sad on it because I don't have it. I just want to close the video of unboxing, and I'm sorry that I didn't make like an intro. My mom was really excited and she just wanted to jump in and see what I had in those boxes. So yeah, that's the excuse. So yeah, at the moment I was taking pictures, you guys. I was taking pictures for my gram, so please do follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already. I'll leave the links and everything in the description box, and I'm sorry about the quality. No ring light. As you see, guys, I still have that situation, so I need to buy the cable or whatever that to connect so I can get the ring light how I'm working in my room. So yeah, I really like this look. Like the makeup wise, I think this color, it suits me. I don't know. But then we're just gonna have to wait and see with the pictures because I haven't yet went through them. So I'll be reviewing the hair. Please go check that video, and thank you so much guys for watching. And please make sure you do subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and please share all my videos and everything like Instagram and everything with anybody you think might like watching my videos. So thank you, bye.